morning.
Are you talking to me or the camera?
You!
Oh.
Wanna come down? So pretty over there.
You start.
What's up, guys? Josie and Jose here, ready for another outdoor adventure. Today we are in San Diego and we are in the Culp Valley Campgrounds. And so far we're really liking it. It's very much like a mini Alabama Hills, rock formations, desert, lots of different native plants. So it's very beautiful. We got in late last night around 10:30, 11 p.m. So we're gonna go exploring right now. We are headed to
A place called Galleta Meadows, filled with different sculpture designs. So we're gonna see what there is there, and hopefully we can show you everything that we see.
yeah, if we remember to take the camera along. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the moment, especially when we're doing like active fun things, we forget to bring the camera. So stay tuned, join us on this journey, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to join on future journeys. We are getting outdoors about every 3 weeks, maybe once a month. So yeah, join us.
More subscribers and the more motivation we'll get to explore more things.
Vanilla ice latte. What town are we in?
Something Borrego.
Something Borrego. That's
We'll look
very
it up.
helpful. A small town right outside of the sculpture area.
Type it on the below the video.
Borrego Springs. It's not Palm. It's Borrego Springs, I believe. So we stopped at a little mom and pop place, fudge.
Bighorn fudge.
Bighorn fudge, and it was really nice.
know what that means.
Yeah. So she recommended we go, but we might be a little grossed out. I don't know what that means, but stay tuned.
That's the whole point of adventuring. Just gonna try it out. But this little town, I love it. Recommend it. Just to as a quick stop by. This hazelnut.
Oh yeah. Hazelnut. Vanilla. Wonder if it. There we go. Anything you want to say?
How you like recording yourself? How about that bicep workout?
I know, right here. It does get me kind of tired.
I'm curious.
Especially because I did arms on Friday.
I'm curious to whoever designed these. Salton Sea, guys.
It's stinky. It smells like fish.
Yeah, this whole sand, as you may have seen right now, those little white spots that you see on the sand, that's all bones, fish bones. That the lady was right at Bighorn Fudge Factory. It's, how'd she say it?
It's like a graveyard of fish. It's all skeletons.
It's disgusting,
But beautiful?
but beautiful.
Well, we didn't give it a chance because the water's all the way back there, and we don't want to take the truck all the way out onto the like heavy duty sand just in case we get stuck because we don't have anyone here to help
Yeah,
us.
it's like completely empty, and we're just seeing that. Yeah, it's empty. No one's around. Like, what's the point of us going to, right? I mean, it does not. I mean, it's not. The smell that just takes away the mood.
It's very fishy.
Yeah, it's very fishy. Like dead fish, though. Yeah, I don't know. Whoever wants to give it a shot, go for it. Or comment below if anybody's been here and
Let us know how it goes.
what there is to do.
What are you airing down to?
29. Can go here, but it's hard to see it. Like I couldn't see it when we were coming up.
Well, as long as we're out of the way and more to the side, we should be fine, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So if I just park it like more here, maybe.
Sounds good.
I mean, I'm sure it looks much. There's like other spots over there that are tighter from what I've seen on pictures.
Mm-hmm.
But I just, you know, I don't feel confident going without a crew. Like, you can see everybody's going with at least 2 cars. I guess because in case one of them gets stuck. My truck is not built for rock crawling yet. Or
Look how tall these cliffs are.
hey, you.
We made it.
Barely.
He was butt clenching the whole way, guys.
No, not the whole way. Don't over exaggerate.
He was gripping that steering wheel. He won't admit it, but
No, there were certain sections where I thought the truck was gonna get stuck because of sand. You know, 2-wheel drive, man. Can only go so far.
But that's why we have our Max Tracks now, and we haven't had to use them, but it gives us that peace of mind knowing that we have it in case we do get stuck in the sand.
'Cause most likely we will get stuck one day.
Knock
with
on
them.
wood.
But-
But so far, man, our Tacoma 2-wheel drive has not disappointed.
No, and I'm sure we can keep on going, but you know, I mean, I'm kind of tired of driving right now, and
Yeah.
I feel having another vehicle will give me more confidence. Because if I get stuck and there's all these people waiting, I don't want to be, you know, ruining their day. But I don't know. Maybe I'll get the courage tomorrow, or maybe later on to go and drive it up there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, tonight we're just gonna stay in this spot. We're gonna cook up some dinner, and then tomorrow, maybe before we head out, we'll try to go further up.
This place is amazing. It's a lot of fun, and you can tell it's all these people that come. They're just expressing how much. Oh, look, even that
Yeah, we
car
keep
made
seeing all these Jeep crews, and we just saw a Tacoma crew pass, or Toyota crew pass. So there's a lot of people here, but
It's a lot of
weird.
positive vibes.
A lot of positive vibes, but there's like so many people that have come in and out, but the campsites are also dispersed, so you're not like on top of each other. Unless you enter the very first campsite in the beginning, that spot was packed and it wasn't pretty. So I would encourage you guys to trek on, go farther. It does get a little rocky though, so.
Yeah, it gets really rocky. But you know, we saw people camping between the canyons, so we were like, okay, well, let's just find a spot and camp. So we found this spot, and I don't know. I just know for sure when you go deeper in there, it gets narrower. So I don't know how much, you know, there is inside or any spots to camp, but you know, like I said, I kind of want to go try it, but then, you know,
We'll see tomorrow.
We'll see. We'll keep you posted.
Keep you posted. So for tonight's dinner, I'll be preparing a teriyaki bowl with some veggies. We have edamame and some red bell peppers. We have chicken, and like I said, we're going to be seasoning it with some soy sauce, some teriyaki sauce, a little bit of salt, sesame seeds, and then we have our jasmine rice ready to boil right here. So we'll see how it comes out. Chicken all sliced up, I'm going to go ahead and season it with a little bit of oil. I forgot the extra virgin olive oil, so I'm just going to be using some Pam, but that's okay. And a little bit of salt, and then we're going to throw it on the grill. Edamame is super easy to make, guys. Add it to boiling water, sprinkle some salt after it comes out, and that's it. Pretty unique experience. We had
Alfie.
We had Alfie, shout out to Alfie, come over. They're camping right next to us, and we just had such an enlightening conversation with him. And I think we're just like still processing the conversation because it was so enlightening and grounding, and so we just wanted to like jump on and talk a little bit about that experience.
Yeah, we brought up a lot of points, great points, and it's like everything that we all go through in life, and put in a very, very basic perception, I feel.
Like very comprehensible way.
Alfie, if you're watching this, good talk, man.
Because I feel like we're still, you know, after we turn this video off, we're still going to be having this conversation and how we can move forward with self-compassion, self-love, to be able to spread that to others in our life. Because ultimately that's what we want to do, is spread love and spread peace.
Yeah, we kind of started this, you know, YouTube channel to kind of bring out more positive, influence others to kind of, you know, start their own, in our ways we called it a hobby, but now it's like, I think we want to start enlightening more people and just
help them understand how freeing and grounding it is to be outdoors, right? That's the basis of our channel, JOS Outdoors, because we work our 9-to-5 job Monday through Friday, and you know, emotions come up with that, stress comes up with that, and getting outdoors is what helps us to feel re-energized and to feel connected with ourselves and with the earth again. And so
that's how Alfie put it out, is you focus on yourself, you focus on your me in his, you know, quotes, and
how do I improve me first to help others.
And you know, our way is like we've always loved the outdoors, just never, you know, recorded until this year. And I mean, you know, we're still in the process of learning how to like, you know, bring in this whole experience that we're having and show it to you guys, anybody in this channel watching. And again, this doesn't mean like you got to follow our path. It's just, you know, there's many ways to really find yourself. You know, it can be, and what we're trying to do is just get you motivated to find yourself. You know, and you don't have to follow our path. You could totally everyone has a different path.
We were talking about energy levels too, and the vibes people give off, and you know, I was observing through the course of our conversation, right, Jose, me, and Alfie, like when Alfie first came over, I'm sure we were a little bit guarded and like, you know, who is this guy? He's approaching us. And as we continued talking to him, you know, I noticed we came closer, we went in a circle, and, you know, our body language opened up more, and so we connected, our vibes and our energy connected, and I think each took something away from that conversation. And that's like the basis of being a human being, is seeking that social connectedness with one another. That's what we all ultimately, you know, want, is to feel a connection with someone.
You know, you say hey to people passing by, and there's so many people passing by, but you never have the opportunity to communicate, which is very important in life.
To authentically communicate and share, you know, this is me with this person, not just hi, you know, we both drive Toyota Tacomas, so we connect. But there's a deeper, you know, connection that you can have with people. And like, this is why we go outdoors. We have these excursions. We will often go with like friends and other couples, and the conversations that come up, you know, as we're sitting around the campfire, like those are some of the most memorable conversations that we have with people. And it's just, you know, us and them, no technology. Like we obviously don't film those conversations, and it's just so, again, grounding is the word of today.
It's hard to ground yourself, especially nowadays, with everything going around, and you know, so much. The way I see it, they always think about what have you accomplished. You know, look into grounding yourself and seeing all your accomplishments, and then you will realize the little things that you've done or has happened in your life are the things that would make you happy, from my experience. And I mean, you know, this little conversation that we had, you know, it just brought so much. It's still bringing like so much positive in me, and it's like that. You know, and it only took one little trip, you know, one little location to find this person. You know, never thought you would have a conversation like this, and it just brought so much, you know, positive influence.
And one way we want to help out is by, you know, passing this message forward to others so that they can be enlightened as well. So I think we'll wrap it up there. But again, you know, find your passion in life, find what grounds you, find what makes you a better person so that you can help others achieve that as well. And so for us, it's getting outdoors, being in nature, connecting with each other, like face to face like this, rather than, you know, being at home sitting on our phones. So we hope that you take this message and pass it along to others.
I agree. Carry on though.